welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Key Lime Pie. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. We've got 200 grams of just mixed sweet biscuits here. We're just going to crush those to a fine crumb. Mix a little bit of coconut, cinnamon and brown sugar in with that with some melted butter and press it into our well-greased pie plate. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and keep crushing. Okay, to a mixing bowl we are just going to add our crushed up crumbs now. Apparently in some places you can actually buy crushed up crumbs. Our coconut goes in now, our brown sugar, and a good sprinkle of cinnamon, just because I love the taste of it in a crumb crust. Just mix that all around till it's well combined, and we're going to add our melted butter. Now, you don't want hot melted butter, just so that it's liquid. Don't use oil here because it just won't give you the same result. Okay, it's in with our butter. Should look like wet sand when you're finished. And we're just going to bake it for a few minutes until it's sort of firmed up a little bit in the oven. And now we're going to press it into our pie plate. That's all you have to do, and into our pie plate it goes. Quite a large pie plate. You could use a straight-sided glass if you like, but I happen to like using one of these Chinese serving spoon things. I think it does a pretty good job of getting into the corners. Press it right in. Right. Once you're satisfied that it's been pressed in and it's quite firm, it's into the oven for about 10 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. To make our filling, we've just got a bit of sour cream here. 3 whole eggs. This is our lime zest from our limes. Really finely grated. Don't put any of the pith in there because it's quite bitter. So mix this all around to start with. It's well combined. And with our condensed milk now. Whole can of condensed milk. Sweetened condensed milk. That's why we're not adding any sugar to this. Put a good scrape out. Try and resist the urge to eat this by the spoonful because we need it for our pie. And now we add our lime juice. Now, just while we're juicing our limes, I've just cut them in basically in half, and then I've taken out 3 very, very thin slices of the lime, and that's going to be our decoration. So just put that to one side. Try and remember to do that, otherwise you won't have any decoration for your key lime pie. And just squeeze the rest of the limes. Okay, our crust is out of the oven now. It's just a little bit golden around the edges, so it's a little bit thinner. We're going to complete our filling and tip it in there and then bake it. So we've got 200 grams of our lime juice here, just been squeezed. That all goes in with any pulp. Now this will start to thicken, but you've got to mix it right in. See it's starting to thicken there, the action of the condensed milk and the lime juice. Right, now we just pour it into our base. And we're going to bake it at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. Then it has to get to room temperature and then chill it before you slice it. Okay, into the oven we go. Okay, 25 minutes later, we take it out of the oven, cool it to room temperature and pop it into the fridge. And you'll find it'll set quite well. We've just got our little lime slices there to decorate it with, and we've also made some lime sorbet and some lime ice cream. Both of those recipes are on our channel, and we haven't wasted a single lime. This one here is, I think, is going in a glass of beer. Thanks for watching. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's key lime pie, decorated with a few shards of coconut and our little lime circles. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and make sure you hit that little notification dinner bell and you'll never miss another exciting episode. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.